Printer can print up to 10 lines per second.
Welcome home, Columbia. Beautiful, beautiful.
This printer can print up to 10 lines per second. This printer can print up to 10 lines per second.
Okay, if you're here, that means you want to start coding. If not, if you haven't decided and you don't know why you should or what language you should start with, I have a few other videos you can look at. Just click on James Gilmore. That'll take you to my YouTube page, and there are a few other videos you can watch to help you decide. Okay, so let's get started. All you need to do really to get started is to download a text editor. And this is an editor that is specifically designed for writing code. I use Atom, and it looks like this. If you do a search Atom editor, you should be able to find this page right here. So download the right software for your platform, and that's basically it. Once you get that, put Atom on your desktop somewhere, or somewhere, you know, the icon, the application icon, or somewhere easy to find, and this is what it looks like. Let me just open some code just to show you. It's nice and pretty. So that's what it looks like. It's a great editor for writing code. Okay, so do that, and then join me in the first lesson, variables. See you then.